Guys, something crazy has just happened on Ultimate Team. If you're watching this right now, kudos to you guys because it's very late, 2 AM in the UK. Something bizarre has just happened on the market and database on both PS4 and Xbox One. Leaked legends have just appeared. Zinedine Zidane, 94 rated. What is going on? To give you an update as to what's going on here, guys, I've never seen this before in Ultimate Team. And as of right now, EA have just released a second update as they also leaked some skill upgrades, including Dembele. He got 5-star upgrade, so he's now 5-star, 5-star. Also, Del Piero got a downgrade. That was a bit of a leak as well. But Zidane is 94 rated apparently. Diego Maradona, and this was, guys, both on PS4 and Xbox. Will this mean that this will be the first PS4 legend? Will we finally see PS4 legends in the next FIFA? Will these legends be coming on this FIFA? I don't know. I wanted to bring you though this really quick, breaking news kind of video to just show you what's going on. The original, R9 Brazilian Ronaldo, 87 rated, probably based on a previous FIFA, because there's no way he'd not be 92 at least. He for me is one of the best, if not my favourite strikers ever. So yeah, you got Diego Maradona, Zidane, Ronaldo. That's not it though. You've also got David Beckham, who is there. Didn't see what rating yet. If you guys saw it, let me know. I think he was 80 for some reason. So yeah, I'm not sure why he was that rated. But it's a very strange thing. And the skill upgrades as well and downgrades to come out at the same time. Clearly someone's pressed the wrong button and they may get a strong warning in the morning. Thierry Henry was another one, guys. I think they were the only 5 that people managed to find. This is not an April Fool's, I swear on my life it's not. This is recordings that I just got from Ultimate Team. They have though, as I said before, just released another squad update to replace this one where someone pressed the wrong button or whatever. But yeah, guys, Diego Maradona, Zidane, Henry, Beckham, Ronaldo. Who else will be in the leaked legends?